Hello coders, welcome to today's session. In today's session, we'll be discussing about the string class and the input function. Any value which is enclosed within single or double quote belongs to the class string. An example could be x equals Python. So as you can see, Python belongs to class string. I can also write the same in double quotes. You can see this also belongs to class string. Now if I write a single character within a single quote, that also belongs to class string, not any class char. Okay, Python does not have a class char. As you can see, this particular character C belongs to class string, and I can do the same for double quotes also. Okay, now you know that if I write x equals 20 and then I print the value of x and data type of x, it's going to be int. But suppose I write x equals 20 in single quote or double quote, then the data type of x is going to be string and not int. Okay, this is because even though it's a number, it's enclosed within double quotes. Okay, now I'll also introduce the input function. The input function is used to accept input from the user through the console. So let's say I would like to accept subject, so I can just write subject equals I'll print the message and the subject. So when I run the code, you can see that on my right hand side, it's expecting me to enter a value. So I'm going to type Python. And when I press enter, this Python is going to get stored in my reference subject, and then subject is going to be printed on screen. Okay, so let me just press enter over here. And you can see I'm getting subject over here. Okay. Now in the next session, we are going to learn about type conversions, because this input function accepts data and converts it into string automatically. So using type conversions, we can convert a string value into an int value.